The CTEK CS ONE Gen 2 is the world's most technologically advanced battery charger, while also being the easiest to use. In this video, we will show you how to use the CS ONE to charge your battery, how to use its additional features, and how you operate it through the CTEK app. Connect the clamps to the vehicle's charging points or to the positive battery terminal and a ground point on the vehicle body. The CS ONE has polarity-free clamps when charging, so it doesn't matter which clamp you put on which charging point. Though you might have noticed that the clamps are marked with a plus and a minus, that is specifically for the supply and wake-up mode, where the polarity-free function is temporarily disabled. Make sure to follow the instructions in the app when using these modes. Plug the CS ONE into a power outlet. The CS ONE's built-in APTO technology will now analyze the battery and adapt the charging to the battery's type, size, and condition, along with the ambient temperature. If the start LED shows a steady white light, the battery is charged enough to start the vehicle. If you keep charging, the CS ONE will show you how many hours are left until the battery is fully charged. Once the battery is fully charged, the whole LED circle will pulse, and the CS ONE can be left connected to the battery for a long period of time and automatically switch into maintenance mode without overcharging the battery. On top of this, you can unlock additional features using the CTEK app. Here's how to get started. First, install the CTEK app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on your device. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your smartphone. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to register an account. Once registered, you'll be prompted to pair a device. Select CS ONE Gen 2 and follow the pairing instructions. Always make sure you're using the latest firmware to access all available features. With the app connected, you'll unlock additional functions such as Wake Up, Reconned, and Power Supply mode. Wake Up is designed for lithium batteries with undervoltage protection, or deeply discharged lead-acid batteries. Reconned helps restore battery life by reconditioning lead-acid batteries. Power Supply mode supports the vehicle's battery during service work and helps retain vehicle settings during battery replacement or removal. You'll also find several other useful features within the app. And that's it. Now you know how to get started with the CTEK app. Thanks for watching.